trying to kick the soda habit, the soda addiction. I've really been cutting down on like the sugary sweets, the sodas and the juices. And this, baby, I keep going back to this cheat. This is sparkling water, basically. This is the coconut pineapple bubbly. And baby, even if you don't like the taste of sparkling water, little hack, get you one of those flavor packets, stir gently, sugar-free, baby. Get into it. Okay, now, thank you so much for tuning in to this review. Big thank you to Outre as well for sponsoring today's video, baby. So, let's go ahead and get into this unit. Another, hopefully, winner chicken dinner by the Perfect Hairline Collection. And this is Miss Lissie. Your girl played it safe. Went with a number 2.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep.
So looking at this unit straight out of the pack, usually curly wigs have kind of a uniform look to it. These are very small, kind of like waved, carefree type of curls. I do appreciate the loose pattern, and it looks like this is going to be a full unit. No tracks showing on this, honey. Now looking at the cap, as usual, they do give us that beautiful lace, which I am starting to appreciate. This is really kind of like in between, kind of neutral for a lot of skin tones, if you know what I'm saying. So it's definitely tintable, baby. No problem there. And of course, a very stretchy cap, so you will not have a problem, I don't think, with a headache throughout the day, but we shall see. And I always appreciate how these units are, I guess you could say, ventilated is the word, but they're breathable, baby. Look at the space. No sweating, no stuffy head going on here. One thing I am noticing, this unit does not come with a preset part. So the hairline is basically a hairline. You don't get a preset part, which can be a good or bad thing depending on your preference when it comes to your units. But okay, Miss Lissie, I'm ready to get her going. Okay, shake it, girl. Okay. Alright, so straight out of the pack, this is what she's looking like. Of course, we're going to go in and customize the hairline. I don't know if I want to do, because I feel like that would be cute if I could get it flat enough. That would be real cute. And just have her fluffy. Huh. Okay. Wow, no, I don't know. Crazy, because I really was going to go for a middle part. So, let's see. Okay, let's look at the side part. And what I appreciate is that this unit is layered, baby. She's layered. Okay, so if I can get this down. So, you know what? I keep going back to this. I think we're gonna try to talk. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and anything. Up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, I'm all so live. Tell me when to go.
You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby? What's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. In a room, going out the way, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. See the creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, spending money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got pride, oh so live. Tell me when to go, baby. When we gon' slide, baby. When we gon' slide. Up all night, baby. When we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby. When we gon' slide. Up all night, baby. When we gon' slide.
Chop it, give me 50, girl. Chop it, give me 50. You can slide with me, cause you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do so much, I know what you can stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. You can fuck, but you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets with a brand new line.
Alright. What are we feeling? How are we feeling about Miss Lissie? Drop it down below. So a couple of things to get out the way before we get into this review. Look at your girl trying to give you some color, baby. Color. So I did go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Divine Neutrals by Morphe. And then I did also use the Berries palette by Juvia's Place, one of my favorite palettes by them. And so I used both of these to get this look for the spring and summer months, baby, and I'm feeling it. So if you're interested in a get ready with me, definitely drop it down below and I'll make that happen, baby. Oh yes, I got time now. Second of all, we hit 99 degrees out here in California, baby. I am hot and these lights are smoking. So if my forehead starts to glisten, hey, the fan's coming on. Try not to listen. So let's go ahead and talk about Miss Lissie, because baby. Now there are a couple of reviews on this unit online, and I really wasn't feeling the style for this particular curl pattern, so I did decide to go ahead and throw it up in a half up, half down. I actually have a couple of units that I have already reviewed, like this week, last week, and coming up that look very similar to this. And yeah, I needed to break it up. So we did the half up, half down. Now I do see just an area up here that I do want to break up just with a little bit of concealer. Not too much. Just to break it up and look a little bit more natural. Now I promise this is not the harsh line of the lace that you see. It's actually just some subtle baby hairs that I put just to break up the monotony of the hairline. And with Outre's lace, they're pretty consistent across the board. Brown girl friendly. They have definitely improved on the lace. And voila, I think this came together so beautifully. And the best part, baby, glueless. Yes, sweat proof, summer approved. Okay, that is what we are doing for the rest of the year. Okay. I just used the elastic band in the back for the first time with the Perfect Hairline collection. Usually I skip, and I am using it this go around so I could get it to lay as flat as possible. And I am happy to say no leave out, baby. None. Perfect Hairline collection, usually I have to use or, you know, finesse some of my edges, and I really just kept this one simple, sweet, very natural, very wispy. I didn't really super gel anything down. I wanted this to look like a carefree summer look, and baby, I am digging it. Bam, bam, bam. I did not pluck anything out of the hairline, and I'm so glad I didn't, because it looks super duper natural. This curl pattern will frizz up if you don't treat it with a little bit more tender loving care. So, you know, I kept it nice, simple, and the best part, you can actually spray maybe a little bit of hairspray to get the curls to hold in place, or you could even go in with a wet water bottle, which is what I did, and they just pop, baby. Bam, 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 bam. I would say maybe have the ends curled all the way through. They do have kind of a blunt cut to them, which I'm okay with. I think, girl, she cute. What else can I say? This review was going a little bit to the left, and your girl had to reel her own back to the right. So, big thank you to Outre for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out the information from Miss Lissie, general link in the description box down below. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all post notifications. But most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Are we feeling Miss Lissie for the 99-degree days that are coming our way? Because, child, I'm not ready, but I know I gotta get ready. Oh. With that being said, make sure you keep loving on yourself. Keep yourself first. Keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.